I'm Doug Lawler, and you are watching Hammers and Jam.
Yeah, just take what you need, and you won't hear no slamming doors. We love Hammers and Jam.
Sun's coming up in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Sun's up, let's get to work. So a customer of mine gave me a headboard that had a really bad crack in it, and it splintered off. The top part of the headboard had broken off. So, and it was really rough. So what I did was I cut a straight line there. What I'm gonna do is cap it off, dress it up with a piece of lumber. This is cherry, and dress it up. So what I did was I cut a dado, which is a notch. For those of you who don't know what a dado is, that's a dado to receive that piece of wood. So it'll slide over the top of that, like that, when it's done. First, see if I can't make it look really pretty, and then put it on. All right, let's get to work. So I decided to round this off with a router bit, just a round over bit. So I put a nice edge on it. And then we're just gonna soften it with the palm sander. Round it over nice and pretty, and that should be good. So you can see we have several colors going on, and the walnut that I used, the New England walnut on cherry, as it dries, it gives a little bit of a reddish background, but it is lightish brown. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a trick. I'm going to go ahead and clear coat this, and then I'm going to use a toner, and then I'll show you. It's like magic. Stick around. Alright, so that first coat of clear coat is dry. I'm just going to take a really fine, like a sponge pad, fine grit, and just knock it down a little bit. Some people used to use steel wool, some still do. I don't, because it leaves particles into your finish you got to contend with. So this doesn't leave anything behind. Just really easy, hit it real quick, knock off a little bit of grit. Okay, now I'm going to use a mahogany toner to get more red into our finish, but I'm going to start with the bottom side and see what we got. Okay, so just going to gently tone it. See how easy? All right, maybe a little more. Get some red in there. So I sprayed the rest of it with the mahogany toner, and you can see how the colors are starting to come together. It's got some of the antique brown behind it and some of the reddish coming through. Now we have different tones going on. The posts are different than the bed, so there's a lot of weird shading going on. So we're just trying to find a happy medium. So you can see when I get it in the light, see how that color is starting to pull together. So I'm on the right track. So I'm almost done with this, and on to the next project. And the way we're gonna fasten this is from underneath. What I got is a staple, got a 1/4 inch, 1/4 crown staple. You can use whatever length you need. I got 1.25 inches in here. It'll give it a really nice grip on the fastener here. So what I'm gonna do is go in at an angle, get up nice and tight up and high here, and it hides fastener. That's all there is to it. And there you go. Thanks for watching.